Hello and welcome. This is the Geekish Mishik. So today we're going to look at creating a model in Django using the DB browser. So we're going to pick off from where we left in the previous video. So the first thing that we're going to do is open PyCharm. So as you open PyCharm, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like these videos. Remember this, guys, subscription is for free. You're not charged anything for subscribing. All you need is just to hit the red button that says subscribe, like so. So you just need to scroll down the video and hit the red button that says subscribe. Then also turn on notifications. So guys, you've just subscribed and it is for free. So I believe and understand that we all have our PyCharm open. So the first thing that we're going to do is to create a new model in Django. So into our projects folder, in this case I created my project as products. So open the products project, then you see a file written models.py. Double click on that file, then already brings you to this new window where there's an import statement on top that says from Django.dp import models. So now we want to create our first model. So a model is basically a class, and this is where our data is going to reside. Data about, for example, a product. We would need to know the name of the product, the price of the product, probably the product image URL, and any other thing that you would want to know about a product. So you create it in the form of a class, and so let's go on straight to creating the class. So class, in this case our class is product. Note one thing, a class is always spelled with a capital letter at first. So this class product, then product feeds from models.model. Then always remember to terminate or to put your full colon, so that after the class you now need to put the class attributes. So in this case I want my name equals to models dot char field. Then you can also specify the maximum length. So max length equals to, in this case I'll put 255. So basically what this statement says is my model is a name attribute, and this name attribute I'm going to equate it to 255 characters, which means any name that has more than 255 characters is not going to fit into this model. Then the next thing I want is a price. So price equals to models dot float field, because your price is probably going to have some decimals. So I'll put it as float field. Then the next thing is an image URL equals to models dot char field. So in this case we're using a char field because it's an image URL. So the maximum length normally for an image URL or for any URL is normally equated to 2083, which is 2083. So by this we have just created our first model. Then as we move on, we were going to use a DB browser now for storing this model. So we're going to use a DB browser for SQLite. So now the next step is you're going to create a new DB instance. So open your search engine, whatever browser that you're using. In my case I'm using Google Chrome. So then search for DB browser for SQLite. So DB browser for SQLite, there we go. So as you can see, there's this one from http SQLitebrowser.org open that link. So download this DB browser for SQLite and install it. So also download the version that corresponds with your machine, or the version that is compatible with your machine. So as you do that, pause the video as you download, as you install. Then soon after you install, you can resume the video. So in my case, I'm not going to download the browser because I have it already installed. So download. On installation, just choose the defaults. Normally, whatever it says, just pick the defaults and install. Then soon after installation, open your DB browser. So this is my DB browser. I've opened it. So the first thing is going to drag and drop the empty DB SQLite, or our empty database from SQLite. So if you scroll down your PyShop application, you can see there is a file written db.sqlite3. So drag that and drop it on the browser. So I want you to note one thing. As you drag and drop, there is table 0, indices 0, view 0, and trigger 0. This is very important because so far we haven't created anything in our database. We haven't created any tables or anything. So you'll have to have 0 tables for you to be following through this tutorial. Now go back to PyCharm, open your terminal. If you have things on your terminal, just click the plus sign to create a new terminal or a fresh terminal. So the next thing on the terminal, type the following command: python manage.py. So that's python manage.py. Then make migrations. Then you hit enter. After this step, we now need to register our package or our database. So open the settings.py. So that is in your main project. Open settings.py. So my main project is PyShop. Then open settings.py. Then on line 33, you see where there is installed apps. So on top, just add the following: products.apps.product config, or add this line of code on top of the installed applications. So after that, go back to your terminal, then type the following command. That's python manage.py make migrations. Then hit enter. So as you can see, this time around your migrations are successful. Then after that, you need to run the following command: python manage.py then migrate. Python manage.py migrate. Then you hit enter. So as you can see, it's giving me an error that no migrations were made because I've already done my migrations. But as you do this, I'm sure all your migrations should give you a success message. Otherwise, this is the basic way of creating a database instance using DB browser for SQLite and our previously created class, which is our model that our data is going to reside. Otherwise, for more videos, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.